Track 1.39, Unit 4, Vocabulary, Exercise 2. 1.
I think the answer is B.
2.
I'm not sure. Maybe it's C.
3.
Yes, I agree.
4.
I don't agree.
5.
Yes, you're right.
6.
I don't think so. I think the answer is A.
Track 1.40, Unit 4, Vocabulary, Exercise 3. 1.
When Shakespeare put on his plays in London in the 16th century, he used men as actors.
2.
Charlie Chaplin made people laugh in his silent films. He often acted the same part and wore the same clothes. A small hat, big baggy trousers, and he carried a walking stick. The name of his character was the Tramp.
3.
People watch films on TV and computers today, but in the past they went to the cinema. Gone with the Wind is the most popular film ever at the cinema.
4.
Titanic, Ben-Hur, and Lord of the Rings: Return of the King all won 11 Oscars.
5.
Anton Chekhov wrote The Cherry Orchard and The Three Sisters.
6.
Timur Bekmambetov made the film Abraham Lincoln Vampire Hunter with Tim Burton.
7.
Rupert Grint played Ron Weasley in all the Harry Potter films.
8.
Plays with unhappy endings are called tragedies.
9.
Hamlet said, "To be or not to be, that is the question."